building today?
Shelter for a new cow.
What? You got a what? Do you say cow?
Cow.
Wow. So, when's she coming?
Tomorrow.
So, we have a lot of work to do to make a shelter, don't we?
Yeah, she'll come in the barn for now at night. It's cold this week. It's supposed to be like minus 30 at night, so we'll give her. She's not used to living outside full time yet.
Alright, well,
she's too good a deal to pass up, so.
that's for sure. We'll show you her tomorrow, but I started yesterday over there with the shelter, so we'll take you over there and show you a few things, what we're doing. Try to follow us everywhere. It's like a zoo in here now. She bought a cow, she got 3 dogs, she got like 18 goats. Over here, we're going to give Kelly a shout out. That's Kristen's friend. Apparently, we replaced Justin Rhodes for her viewing pleasure instead, so that's pretty big. So we'll get over to the shelter here and show you what it's looking like so far. Beautiful day out today too. So the idea is we're going to build it off of here, and then she can be out of the wind. The north wind comes blowing up this way, I think. It's pretty cold and nasty when it is, but just a little bit of a wind break. We're going to extend this a bit farther, and then we'll get some tin roofing here we're going to pop up. So I've just got to dig this hole a bit farther down because we're going to extend this a bit and then go from there. So I guess we should probably put that up first. He's digging a hole so that we can rest the post on the bottom and one piece board here so that we have an angle like that one, and then I have it ready to help me put the next beam up here, and then see what happens after that. The goaties are coming by to check us out. That's Gertie. Unfortunately, we will probably have to brace it better in the springtime because it's just sitting on the ground, so it might be movements. We're going to probably put a cross brace from here to the back wall as well. Like about this long piece here that we're going to put across the front here. Here we go, we got the first beam up here. Chris is just getting popped in here. And then, not too bad. Whoa, slippery snow there. And we got the next one measured up here as well. I'll cut up. We've got them all up here now. I need to put a cross brace from here to hold it a bit. And then ideally, it'd be nice to have another post in the center there. But we may wait till spring because there's no point now and having the snow there. I'd rather have it touching the ground properly, maybe dig into the ground. So we're going to go for a quick lunch. When we come back, we'll pop up the roofing and call it a day for a quick little cow shelter. Okay, so we got most of it finished off here now. Got the roofing on. Not the prettiest thing, but hey, it's going to work. And like I said, the cow's coming today, so we need to finish this off another day, I think. We're going to put a cross brace there, probably another piece of tin. Another tin there, just for a bit more of a wind shelter. And I'll get some more longer tin as well to put here for more of a wind shelter coming this way. So there you go. I'll just show you the underside here. It seems pretty stable. Probably in the summertime, once, like I said, once the snow melts, put another post in the center just to make sure it's super secure, and we're good to go. That video helpful on how to build a quick little shelter for your cow, goats, whatever you have. I think we did show you a video a while ago on the goat shelter there. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you out there.